Hello, everyone over there at Allison Park Contractors. My name is Charles. Thank you for talking to my colleague Matt yesterday. This is the video he promised that we'd send you. Um, just giving you a few tips on how you can optimize your already existing asset, your website. And why am I doing this? Well, these days I realize a lot of business owners don't have the time to optimize on their already existing asset, and instead they pay for leads through different platforms like House, Angie's List, Home Advisor, etc. And also paying for Google Ads while they already have an asset that can draw in clients. The reason I know this, and we'll get to see it a little bit, is that about 90% of people, when they're searching for local services, for example, if I was searching for contractors in Pittsburgh, um, people use Google. About 90% of people use Google. About 70% of people will not leave the first page, meaning they will click a business here on the first page. So why not already use your existing asset to draw in customers? Um, when someone's searching for a contractor in Pittsburgh, I have a tool called Ahrefs, which can analyze these keywords that are being searched for this phrase. It's a popular tool called Ahrefs. A lot of people have this, and I just wanted to give an overview of why search volume is why keywords are important. For example, about 500 people search for contractors in Pittsburgh. Now, if I was searching for contractors in Pittsburgh, this is what's known as a by intent location-based keyword, meaning whoever is searching for this is probably looking for a service and will click on one of the first things that they see on the front page. Just to give you an idea, the traffics that's shared just by this one keyword, like we saw, there are about 500 searches per month, and 188 go to house. I'm going to go down to your competitor here, Sipes and Son. They get 31 people going to the website just because of this per month. And if we go to the search box, I'm going to talk about this section in a few minutes, but I just want to show you that they are right below these main directories. They're right here. So they're definitely, this is why they're getting those 33 people going to their site every month. So it's important to be in the front here because you'll get more traffic and hopefully, depending on your conversion rate, more closed clients. Okay, so the three things I want to talk about, the three tips I want to give you guys are content, citations, and backlinks. Content has everything to do with your front page, meaning everything I've highlighted here, all the text, all the images, the text behind the images, and even what your images are saved as. Now, to optimize with Google, you need to have about 1,000 to 1,500 words of authoritative text on your page. Now, I would definitely add a lot more text, and by authoritative, I mean showing what you do, who you are, what locations you serve, and basically why Google should be putting you in front of this search here whenever people are searching for a certain keyword. Another thing to optimize with those 1,000 to 1,500 words of text is to include or saturate it with keywords that you know that your target audience would be looking for. For example, just to repeat again, this is one keyword. All these are keywords. And using my tool again, I can research and find what kind of keywords are being searched for and being used by yourself and even your competitors. This tool here also analyzes websites, and we're going to get into it a little bit more, but I just wanted to show you this. Your competitor, Sipes and Sons, they are ranking for about 98 keywords. And you can see here, contractor Pittsburgh, this is another keyword they rank for. 100 people search for it per month. They get 10 people in traffic coming because they're third. So if you build on the three tips I want to give you, you're going to be able to rank better for however many keywords you put on your page, and therefore you're going to get a lot more traffic from your competitors. Okay, so that is it for content. Next thing is citations. Citations. So back to the Google search. This area that I skipped over before, where you have a map and three companies. This is known as a map pack. And the way to rank here, to appear here, is to have more and better quality citations than your competitors. Now, when I talk about citations, I mean anywhere on the internet, in any directory, that your name, address, and phone number are appear exactly as they are in Google. The more directories and the higher authority directories that you appear in, the higher you'll rank here. So it's just a simple but time-consuming task of going through your competitors' citations. There are tools out there that you can use to find out your competitors' citations, and then not only appear in those same directories, but kind of maybe double or triple, or at least beat them by 50 more directories. The more you appear in directories and the more authoritative those directories are, the higher you will rank here. Third thing I want to talk about are backlinks, and they have to do with this section here, the organic search results, where I found your competitors. Now, backlinks, if you think of the internet as a whole collection of web pages linked together, a backlink is where one web page links to your page and directs traffic towards you. So if you think of say there's a forum for general contractors in Western Pennsylvania, and on their website they have a link going to your website, that's considered a strong backlink by Google. Not all backlinks are the same. So imagine if there was an ice cream company in Philadelphia that linked to you guys, to your webpage. That would not be considered a strong backlink by Google because those are two different niches. So it's important to have good authoritative backlinks. And I'm just going to show you, this is your website in the tool called Ahrefs. Like I said, this is a popular tool. I can tell you have about 59 backlinks from 20 domains. Your competitors, Sipes and Son. This is their website, by the way. You can see they're lacking in content. So for content, if you can add more content, authoritative content, you can beat them on that score. But back to their site, they have about 70 backlinks from 19 domains. If I research, if I go in a bit deeper, I can tell where they have backlinks. So to be able to beat, you're almost there, but to be able to beat your competitors, I would just have better, more authoritative backlinks than they do. I can go through them and compare, make sure if possible I can grab their backlinks and put them on your page, or go out and search for better backlinks. So if you implement these three things that I've spoken about, content, citations, and backlinks, you're going to be able to rank higher for each and every keyword that you aim to rank for. Like we spoke about all these keywords that your competitors rank for, so it's a matter of researching your competitors' backlinks, keywords and backlinks, and then implementing certain practices that are going to get you more backlinks and rank for more keywords. And if you mix all these three things together, citations, content, and backlinks, you're going to be able to grab a lot more traffic and hopefully convert more and more clients without advertising, without going on Houzz, without going on Angie's List, etc. Thank you very much. I hope you can implement these. I'll give them to your website person, an SEO person, to implement them. If you'd like to discuss how we can partner together, and if you like what you've seen and you think I have more tricks up my sleeve, please get in touch with me. You can reply to this email, or you can give me a call. I'm with Warley Digital. We help local businesses pull in more clients. Thank you very much. I'm sorry this went a little bit over time, but thank you, and have a great day.